Okay, so let's take this question. So Ethan has 80 pounds. He spent 27 pounds on shoes and 19 pounds on football. How much money was left? Right? Can you read it yourself?
Yeah.
Read it aloud, please.
Ethan had 80 pounds. He spent 37 pounds on shoes and 19 pounds on the football. How much money was left?
Very good. So he had 18. So the total money that Ethan had, the total money was 80 pounds. Now let's talk about the money he spends. So his spending was on, he spent 27 pounds, right, on shoes and 19 pounds on football. So he spent 19 pounds on football. So let's add his spending together. So 7 plus 9, that gives us 16. We're going to write 6, right? And remove the value of 1. So 2 plus 1, that's 3 plus the 1, 46. So it means the spending was what? 46. Now, out of 80 pounds, he spent 46. So we're going to say 80 minus 46. So if we do that, we're going to say 10 minus 6, that gives us 4, and here is 7 left, so we have 7 minus this, that gives us 3. So which means that he had 34 pounds left. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at another one quickly. Lucas had 100 pounds. His mother gave him 25 pounds more. Then he spent 48 pounds on bicycle payments. And how much money did he have left? So let's see the money Lucas had, right? So let's take it again. Lucas had 100 pounds, right? And the mother gave him, right, another 25 pounds. So the mother gifted him another 25 pounds. So the gift was a 25 pounds. So we add 25 to 100 pounds, right? So let's add that together to know the total amount that he had. So 0 plus 5. Are you with me?
Yeah.
0 plus 5, that's 5, right? Please respond. 0 plus 2, that's 2,
2.
right? And we write down 1. So that is 125 pounds. So the total money that Lucas had was 125 pounds. Then he spent 48 on bicycle helmet. So out of the 125 pounds, he spent 48 pounds on helmet. So we're going to subtract 48 from 125 pounds that he had, right? So in this case, we're going to say 15 minus 8 because we're going to take 1 from the 2 here and add to this, which becomes 10. 10 plus 5, that's 15. So 15 minus this give us, right, 7. And we have 1 left here, right? So we take this 1, which becomes 10. 10 plus 1, 11, right? So 11 minus this, that's 7, and nothing is left here anymore. So it means that Lucas had 77 pounds left after spending. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any question? Can you speak aloud? Do you have any question, Mariah?
No.
Okay, so I will want you to do this yourself, right? So let's see what you can come up with. Now do this quickly. Can you read aloud?
A classmate 145 for charity. They spent 58 on supplies. How much money remained?
Very good. So I want you to do that in 3 minutes. Can you do that quickly?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your score?
87 pounds.
Okay, 87 pounds. So let's see that if that is right. The class raised 145 pounds, right? Okay. They spent 58 pounds on supplies. So we're going to subtract 58 from this. So this will be 15. We'll borrow 1. So it becomes 15 minus this, that's 7. We have 3 left here. We take 1 here, becomes 10, that's 13. 13 minus this, that's 87 pounds. So Mariah, you're correct. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So can you do this one now quickly? Ella bought 3 books costing 12 pounds each and a pen for 9 pounds. How much did he spend? How much is she spending, right? Okay, I think that's the typo. How much is she spending? So can you do that quickly? I'll give you 3 minutes to do that. Do you have any question, Mariah?
No.
Okay, so 3 minutes to do that quickly. Hello, Mariah. Are you done?
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your answer?
45 pounds.
45 pounds. So your answer is 45 pounds. But let's see if it's actually 45. Ella bought 3 books costing 12 pounds each. So if you bought 3 books costing 12 pounds, 12 plus 12 plus 12, right? We add that together, that will give us 36. Or we'll say 12 times what? 3, any of them. So that gives us 36, right? And a pen for 9 pounds. So 36 plus 9. So we have 36 pounds plus 9 pounds. We add that together, that gives us 45 pounds. So that is very correct. So Mariah, you're already doing well. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I want you to always believe in yourself when you're solving. Is that okay? At this point in time, there is nothing that is beyond your scope, right? So whatever you are asked to do in class, just know that it is not beyond your scope. It is something that you can actually do, just as you've demonstrated here. Is that okay? So pay key attention to details, and if you have any question, always ask. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.